In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these melt-in-your-mouth chocolate thumbprint cookies. These cookies are easy peasy, and the best part is that they taste delicious and you can have so much fun with the fillings and add whatever you'd like, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is make the cookie dough. For that, in a medium-sized bowl, combine together all of your dry ingredients, which include all-purpose flour, some cocoa powder, and salt. You want to use a good quality cocoa powder for a rich and intense chocolate flavor. Next, in another medium-sized bowl, we're going to combine together softened butter and powdered sugar. It's very important that your butter is soft, otherwise it's going to be difficult to mix with the sugar, especially if you're doing this by hand and not using an electric mixer. I'm just going to mix the butter a little bit before adding in the sugar to make it easier to incorporate. Powdered sugar is also known as confectioner's sugar or icing sugar. Those are all just different names for the same thing. If you do not have powdered sugar, you can use granulated sugar. By the way, if you love some quick and easy cookie recipes like me, then you need to check out my other two thumbprint cookie recipes. It is raspberry and hazelnut. They have a vanilla base, so if you like vanilla, you're going to love those. The link will be available in the description box below. Next, I'm going to add in some vanilla extract and give that a mix until it is fully incorporated. While I mix this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe because it would really mean a lot. Next, we're going to add in the dry mixture that we prepared earlier and then give everything a mix until it is fully incorporated. If it gets difficult to mix using a spatula, you can switch to your hands. This dough is not sticky at all, so it's not going to stick to your hands, and it requires no chilling time either. Now, using a 1 tablespoon measuring spoon, I'm going to portion out the dough and then roll each of these portions into a smooth ball. Repeat this process until you've used up all of your dough. You should get about 15 to 16 balls. Next, we're going to roll each of these balls in some granulated sugar. You can skip this step if you'd like. Arrange the coated cookie dough balls on a baking tray that's lined with parchment paper, making sure to leave a little bit of space between each of the balls because the cookies do spread a bit. Now it's time to make the indents for the filling. Use a half teaspoon to gently press into the center of each of the balls like this, and then use your fingers to fix up any cracks. The thing I like most about thumbprint cookies is that they do not have to be perfect. In fact, they're supposed to be a little bit messy. Once you've done this to all of your cookie dough balls, bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes, and once baked, let that cool down completely. Now you can go ahead and add whatever fillings you'd like. I'm using chocolate ganache, and the recipe will be available in the description box below, along with the chocolate thumbprint cookie recipe, and also you can find many more ideas for fillings on the blog as well. Some filling options include Nutella, jams, salted caramel, or even just plain melted chocolate. You can find the instructions on if you have to add these before or after baking on the blog as well. And here is the final product. These are just so adorable and they taste incredible. It is perfect for chocolate lovers. And also the best thing about this is that it's made with just so simple ingredients that you probably have in your pantry right now. So what are you waiting for? Go and try these out. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it, and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thank you so much for watching.